This is a guided walkthrough for the Veronica level, otherwise known as level number 32, from the Venus CTF labs from HackMyVM.eu. So everybody, the first thing you want to do when you enter one of these levels is you want to read the mission.txt file. So we're just going to do cat mission.txt. So it says here that the user Veronica uses a lot the password from Lena, so she created an alias. So we're talking about aliases inside of Linux, and so you can create an alias for a command that you use a lot inside of Linux. Alias. So we could create a new alias. We could create an alias that called listall, and it would be the same as doing the ls.lha command over here to list everything inside a directory. So after we've set that, we can do listall, and it's the same as using ls-lah. So the way we would see what aliases are on the system is we would just give the alias command by itself. So we type in alias, and we see we've got 3 aliases on the system. We've got this alias that we created ourselves. There's another alias that does ls color auto for ls. And we also have the Lena pass alias over here. So this is the password for the next level. Lena's password is an alias, which is this right here. We've got the password for the next user, Lena, over here. So we've essentially finished the level. So we're going to do a little after action report over at GitHub over here. Okay, so first of all, who was the target user? So the target user for this level was the Lena user, and the method of solve for this level was we have to retrieve the aliases on the terminal. And in this case, the key command was the alias command. Okay, so this was a relatively simple level, but let's commit these changes and finish off our guided walkthrough. Okay, so everybody, this was a guided walkthrough for the Veronica level, otherwise known as level number 32, from the Venus CTF labs from HackMyVM.eu. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment under the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.